Hi, here is the Minolta Riva 70 overall conditions. Okay, and here is the battery compartment. Using one CR123A battery, which is like this. Let me just put it inside. Okay. Then by pulling this button to open the back cover, inside will be like this. And here is the film. Then we need to slide into it to make sure that the center part of the film canister have met the motor. Here. Slide into it and push the top in like that. Then pull the film tip to here. Make sure that your film is flat like this. Then we just close it and on it, and it will auto load. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that now you can start shooting. So here is the zoom in and zoom out. Then here's the shutter button. When you look through the viewfinder, you will find out at the center point there got a bracket. So you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus and half press. Okay, if it doesn't blink, means that it's okay to shoot. Then you just click it. Yeah, it's an auto flash, so it will auto sense the environment to see whether you want to trigger the flash or not. Yeah. Then here is the flash setting, but normally I would recommend you just put it that auto will do lah. Yeah. And here is the timer, also same. Half press to aim. After that, click it. Okay. When here the red light keep blinking, which means that now he have start counting the timer. It took around 10 seconds like that. Yeah. Okay. Then overall actually it's like this, and when you don't want to use it, you want to off it, then you just push it, let it go inside, then only close it. Open it, it's like this. Swipe, but you need to swipe to the max, then only it will come out the lens, means that it's on. Yeah. Then about the back here is the date function. You can adjust by yourself the date imprinting, which it will appear when the outcome is come up. Okay, you can click the select, then it will blink, then you click the adjust to see whether it's until which year. Okay, unfortunately it's until 2019 only, but you can also adjust the date. Wait, I click it again. Okay, to the date you want, then click select, change the mood to here. Then you can choose this kind of function lah, like the date, the format lah, the date and the time, which it won't show like 2019 like that lah. It just show the current date and the current time. Well, if you don't want, you just click like this, means that it's off. It won't appear any date or time in the outcome. Yeah. And overall it's like this. When you shoot finish, it will auto rewind. So no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.